Hello and welcome to ADTU Unplugged, a podcast series where conversations go beyond classrooms. I'm your host Neha, and today we have with us our guest Dr. Mukta Deshpande. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Dr. Mukta Deshpande is heading a new and exciting postgraduate program that is Master of Technology in Intelligent Building Design. So, ma'am, could you please tell us about this groundbreaking program that has been introduced newly?
Yes. Thank you so much for having me here. Actually, we were working on this program since 6 years, and we were identifying a few platforms to empower our students. So now we can proudly say that we have a strong foundation, and and this year we have launched this new program. So we welcome the new cohort this year for this new program.
And I understand that this is a postgraduate program.
Right.
So, how do you explain that how this collaboration works for the architects as well as the engineers?
Yes. So this program is named as Master of Technology in Intelligent Building Design. That means this program invites architects as well as civil engineers and mechanical engineers, because we have recognized that there is a huge requirement in the AEC industry today. AEC is architecture, engineering and construction industry today, where all these professionals come on a same domain and work collaboratively. So this is what the program offers. The learning environment will be cohesive for the architects as well as the engineers, and the same thing that they are going to experience in their professional work, professional career.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for clarifying that. I'm more interested to know whether this program majorly focus in the private sector or is it also in the public sector?
Right. So initially in the AEC industry, it was specifically focused on the private sector, but today it is not the case. The government of India is also accepting and promoting advanced digital technology in this sector, and this is what is the vision of Viksit Bharat today. So you can expect job opportunities even in the central PWD department when you pass out from this program.
How this program is different from other programs which are there in the market?
Right. That's a very interesting question which will interest all the audience today from architecture and civil engineering background. So what happens in the previous programs is there was only one focus, which was building information modeling, famously called as BIM, advanced BIM, then digital twins. But the curriculum of this program offers a unique integration of BIM, advanced BIM technologies and computational design, generative AI, all these technologies into the curriculum. And we have curated a perfect blend of this because we recognize that the industry partners that we have today, they have given us feedback in several discussions that happened during the 6 years that we were trying to create this program. And based on the industry feedback, we have curated this curriculum that will help the students to get not even national job opportunities, but also they will stand on the global platform.
Well, that's a great initiative and a very thoughtful approach, I must say, while you are designed this program. We would also like to understand that how do you ensure a comprehensive understanding of the projects from the macro to the micro level?
That's a beautiful question. So what is going to happen in this program is we have partnered, we have alliance with industry. This organization is Studio 4 Consultant Private Limited. They are into BIM projects since last 20 years. They have got lot of expertise. They have done 100 plus projects in this domain, and we have them on board as our industry partner. So they will not just be giving inputs to the students through the curriculum or through the juries and vivas, but they will be coming here and training the students by their own trainers. So this is how the students will be benefited by directly industry trainers, and that's how they will come to learn about the live projects, because the live projects will be from directly industry itself. So they will learn hands on, they will learn on the live projects, and they will work directly with the industry people from MIT ADTU campus.
So, ma'am, when you are mentioning the industry profiles, so what type of job profiles our students would be getting after completing or after graduating this program?
Right, very practical question. So these people will be graduating as BIM experts, BIM managers, computational designers, and they will be most sought in the national and global industries.
All right. So, what a student has to prepare, or what type of admission process they have to go through in order to get into this program?
Right. So this is Master of Technology. So we accept gate scores, gate valid scores. Apart from that, if they do not have gate valid scores, then they can appear for para CET, which is offered by MIT-ADT University, and that's how they can get into this program.
All right. So, ma'am, since you have already mentioned so many aspects of this program, if you can highlight some USPs of this program for the reference of our viewers.
Right. So, this is not just for the students who are freshly graduates, but this is also focused on the professionals who were not able to enter into any kind of postgraduate program because of limitation of time. So we have introduced a blended teaching learning process. Over here, they can learn 30% online and 70% offline. So they have a flexibility in that. That is the first USP, as I can say. Then we have the industry partner on board. So these people are going to take care of 40% of the syllabus, and 60% syllabus remains with MIT-ADT University. Then third is, every year we will be offering paid internships to our students, and the most important part is, when they graduate, the high scorers, high potential students will directly get absorbed to Studio for Consultant Private Limited and their alliances. Of course, on top of that, MIT-ADT University offers 100% placement support, so that we ensure to all of our students. But apart from that, this is what we are offering through this program.
And finally, what message would you like to share with our students?
Right. So today's industry, today's government demands this new kind of technology. So I must say, pursue your passion, join us for this new program, new venture. We all welcome you all to this program. Thank you so much.
So, thank you, Dr. Mukta, for introducing a postgraduate program in Master of Technology in Intelligent Building Design. And to know more about it, you may visit the website of our university, mituniversity.edu.in. So, thank you for tuning in to ADTU Unplugged, a podcast series where conversations go beyond classrooms. Thank you.